the arrest of 5 family members for murder of their relative in Guruve. Risatapina mashoko a police press statement releasiwa yesterday the 2nd of January 2026. Don't subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tipina pane this statement ramur kona rubda nyuko chinzi. Reference is made to the Zimbabwe Republic Police message on X platform regarding the arrest of Kelvin Katuzura Chaora 26, a male juvenile 16, Chemika Gwenzi 33, Vumbe Mandeya 35, Runways Chaora 58, in connection with a case of murder involving the death of their relative John Chimana Chaora 54 in Guruve. The Zimbabwe Republic Police informs the public that the suspects were arrested after a tip-off had been received on 28 December 2025, linking one of the suspects, a male juvenile 16, with the case, following the victim's missing persons report. The juvenile implicated Kelvin Chaora, Alicia's Vumbe, Chemika Gwenzi, and the Vumbe Mandeya, leading to their arrest and the subsequent recovery of the victim's cell phone and pair of shoes. On 31 December 2025, the suspects led the police for indications leading to the location of the body, which was in an advanced state of decomposition near Ambush Dam, Kazunga village, Guruve. Kelvin Chaora later implicated Ranos Chaora, alleging that he had masterminded the murder following a dispute with the victim over a chieftainship position, which the victim was reportedly due to assume. Meanwhile, the Zimbabwe Republic Police confirms that investigations are still underway, with a few arresting Edimo Ritza, who is being sought in connection with the several murder cases recorded in Guruve. Doma developments ariko in update atatukupai panawe ku Guruve pinako my section medos of Guruve aim to give them the chitko each. From subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.